at the same time. Hey,
it's Rick and Lena.
Hey.
And we're on the 1808 trail, but we're on the other side like we were last time. But I'm going to show you this cool little bridge we just found.
Here we go. Check this out.
Take a peek at this.
And there's other little bridges on the
This is badass. I like it. I like this a lot. Doo-doo-doo. Boo, boo, boo. Lots of heat today. It's very, very humid. Yeah, I'm coming, babe. Oh, wow. This is neat. This is badass. Okay. Whoa. This is all open here.
We never hiked it from this side.
Yeah, this is cool.
I mean,
Oh,
we've
look
been
how
coming
blue
up
that
this way
sky
our whole
is.
Never been right out there.
Alright, guys. Just going to end this real quick, and I'll see you guys later.
It'd be a great spot to put a tent.
Say bye, babe.
All right. Adios.